Hey guys, welcome to Arch Effects. So today in this video, we are going to create this beautiful text animation in After Effects. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let us start by creating a new composition. Now I'll add text to our composition. So I'll call it Arch and then type Effect. So this is the name of my channel, Arch Effect. I'll just align it to the center, both these text layers, and just move this slightly above, and then I'll just increase the size of Arch, font size of Arch to match the below text. Okay, so match the length of the text below. So now we are done with this. We are going to add animation to this. So for that we are going to bring up the position, and then we'll move the indicator over to 1 second mark and add keyframe to the position. Now the next step is to take the indicator back to the beginning of the timeline, and then we will be moving this effect all the way down until it is out of the screen. Same thing we are going to do with the Arch. So now we are done with this. We'll get this kind of animation. We can also add easy ease by pressing F9. So there you go. So now we are done with this animation. Now we'll move forward. We'll just decompose these both texts, and then we'll add a solid layer. We'll call this layer Fractal because we are going to add fractal noise effect to this. We'll just go into the effects panel and search for fractal noise. Apply it to our solid layer, and then we'll change the type of fractal to max and noise type to block. Okay, we are done with this particular effect. Now we'll move on to our recomposition and add effect, that is time displacement. Now I will change the displacement layer from pre-composition to fractal, source to effects and mask. So you can already see our effect coming into play. Now the next effect we are going to add is fill. Just apply it to our recomposition. Change the color. I'll be changing it to blue. You can change it to whatever color you like. Change it to light blue. So we are almost done. Now the next step that we are going to do is we are going to get rid of this fractal noise that is showing. So we will do that by clicking here. So now we have just our text. So there you have it. We are almost done, guys. Now the next step that is remaining is we are going to duplicate these layers 3 times. 1, 2, and one more time, 3. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to assign every pre-composition. We are going to assign its own fractal. So here I'm going to assign this 7th number fractal to the first one. Then here I'll be assigning the 6th number. Here I'll be assigning the 5th number, like so. And then here we already have 8th. Okay. Now we are going to change this displacement time and color for each one of them. Okay. So for this we are going to change this to 0.8, and we'll change the color to slightly darker blue. Similarly, we are going to change this to 0.6, and we are going to make this even furthermore darker, like so. Similarly, for this one we'll be changing it to 0.4 and making this a bit more darker, like so. So now we are done with our animation. So here is the final effect. We can add one more effect to this. We'll add a glow and change the glow radius to, okay, so there you go. So there you go, our animation is complete. Now if you want to add a background to this, you can pre-compose this and then add another solid layer. You can make this slightly darker. And there you go, you have your final animation. So guys, hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, have a good day.